Let's start. 3 packets of unflavored gelatin and a half cup of water. Pour into your mixing bowl and then let it sit for a little bit. Then you can mix it and then wait until it blooms. For your liquid mixture, you have your corn syrup, sugar, your ice cold water, and your salt. Set your heat at medium-high. You're going to need a candy thermometer. Add all your ingredients into your saucepan. Your candy thermometer should say 240. Once it reaches 240, it should come to a boil. Turn off stove and let it cool down. Your gelatin has bloomed completely and you're ready to pour in your mixture. Get your cornstarch and powdered sugar ready. Spray your pan and make sure you get the edges and sides really good. Then you're going to sift your cornstarch and your powdered sugar completely in your pan and make sure you get the sides really good as well. Okay, it's been 8 minutes. Once that is completed, now you can add in your vanilla extract. Okay, it looks really good right now, so you can take off the whisk and start stirring your marshmallow fluff and then placing it in your pan. Spread it around evenly and then tap it against the countertop to let out all the air. Get your powdered sugar and cornstarch out. Then you're going to want to sift more on top and then cover with saran wrap and let it sit 4 to 5 hours or 24 hours. It's been 10 hours and we're ready to cut into our marshmallow. Get a butter knife and scrape the edges and then flip onto a pan. It should come out really smooth. And then cut it into your desired shapes. And it's all done. Thank you so much for watching.